everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm the starring today. We just finished off doing my hair. Looks beautiful and I love it. We used a detangler, water from a spray bottle, also some butter because the hair was a bit dry when we started off. Gel, yeah, this is for the edge control. This is for making the hair sleep and look sleek. And for the styling, we had some rubber bands, accessories to make it look pretty, bobby pins, and a band. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching.
So I started off by spraying her hair with using the spray bottle because it was quite dry. She had threaded it so it was stretched. And then I went in with the knot on my watch just to add a little moisture to it. And then I finger detangled just to separate it. Then I went in with the Denman brush to slick the front. I didn't brush all the hair, I just did it around just to get it to submit. Went in with Ecostyle to set base for the slicking. Went again with the Denman brush. Did the back as well. Made sure I put the Ecostyle all around and again went in with the Denman brush. The slicking is very important because it's what makes the hairstyle look neat. I went in with another edge control, Miss Hicks, I think that's what it's called, because this one, it has a jelly vibe to it, so it helped me to make the hair lay a lot more. As you can see, it's slicking a lot more. Did the back as well. Don't forget the back, it also has to look clean. Now we put the band on. Then I sprayed the hair again just to help the gel work a little better and then use the Denman brush. So this video is basically all about me brushing and gelling. Start to slide the band up till it goes as far as you'd like. Then I went in with the Main Choice gel and did the edges. This gel is good for the edges only. Edges, let us see what I did there. Edges are slicked, and then I put the satin wrap scarf and it's done. Then now I started doing the little twists. So I put the butter on my hands, rubbed it, and then I applied it to each section and I twisted it, which is what I do for this part. Yeah, very loose twist. It's not supposed to be neat, like tight. It's just a very simple thing going on. Yeah, I wanted them to still look neat, so I did it a little slow, and then I added a little more butter to the edges, sorry, to the tips of the hair so that it was moisturized. I never miss a moisturizing opportunity. Be woke, guys. Yeah, so I did this for all of them. Then in the middle I did one in the center, and then went on to do the rest around. So now that they're all done, I use the little rubber bands and I gather 4 of them with the one in the center, 3 around, and I connect them at the tips. So I tie them together right at the tips of the hair, and I do the same with the back 4. Tie them up together, and then I pin the first 4 that I tied up together right in the middle. So the good part is there's the center twist, so I pin them into the center twist, I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but it's really straightforward. But you have to make sure that the twists are loose on the outside because that's what makes the hair look really cute. So did that. Then I went in with another pin to make sure it's secured and so that it doesn't loosen up, and then I went in with a third pin. So I used 3 bobby pins to make sure that the twists were secure. The good part is they were all attached to each other, so it didn't need much securing. Then I accessorized them with a little gold thing, so I just attached them, then removed the headscarf to see the results.
Wow, I don't believe it. Wow. So this is how the hair came out. Very beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe. Thank you.